This video is about creating and editing custom forms in SOS. First thing you do is go to the nameplate tile and form templates. And first thing we want to do is go to the template library to grab all available fields for a form. So today we're working with sales orders, and we want to grab the sales order with all available field codes, and we'll click the drop down and just click download. I have already downloaded a copy. So on this form, you can see every field that is available to this sales order. And as you add custom fields, this will also include the custom fields that are available for this form. And when you add the custom field, it asks you which form the field is attached to. And that's what defines that. So then after we have that downloaded, we go back to the form chooser, or back arrow, and go back to the form templates and type in sales. And what we will do is, for default sales orders, we will download a default sales order that we can work with, and we'll save it as another file. In this case, we're making a commercial invoice from a sales order template, and we can do anything we want. We have to make sure that we stay below table main, except for the header, and then above table end main on the bottom. And we can add any fields or boxes we want here. In this case, what I did was I took this memo field. This memo field wasn't there, and I took it from this form. I took this field and copied it over. Once it's here, and this is for Mac, if you click, usually when I bring them in, I'll click Update Field. But if you have to change the name of one of your custom fields, you have to type the field name exactly the way it is. And I find typically when it's a custom field, you have to put quotes around it, but sometimes there's a little trial and error there. So once this field is updated, you can go back and toggle the field back. And if you were changing the name, you would again hit Update Field. And we put commercial invoice on the top. So now that that's done, we will go to Add New under Form Templates, and then we would type in the name of the document and give it a description, and then we have to attach it to a form type. So sales order is what's going to come up. Then we click choose, and we go find the commercial invoice we're looking for, which I already did, so I'm not going to do that again. But when we go to the screen for sales orders and we go to print a sales order, from the drop down we select PDF, and we have three choices here. We see commercial invoice, the one that we created, and then we just generate that form. And it will create a PDF, and you can see that the memo field that I was testing will be right there. That's the new field I added, and the header commercial invoice. And that's all there is to that.